Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to publish a vacancy to job boards using OrangeHRM. First, navigate to the recruitment module and go to Vacancy, click on the settings button of the vacancy you wish to publish. Next, go to the job posting section, where you can view the detailed view of the job posting and click on the Publish button. Then, click Yes, Publish to confirm and publish the vacancy. Once you've published the vacancy, it's time to share it with a wider audience through your preferred job board integrations. Click the Manage Job Boards button to begin. You'll now see a list of available job board integrations. Choose your preferred platform, then click Publish to post your vacancy directly from OrangeHRM. It's that easy! Once published, your job post is now live and visible to potential candidates. Candidates can start applying directly through the platform, and their applications will seamlessly flow into the OrangeHRM system under the Candidates section. After a candidate submits their application through their preferred job board, you'll be able to view it under the Candidates section in OrangeHRM. Thank you for watching. Contact us to learn more at jobboards@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.